So for the plant cell, parts of a plant cell, these are the parts which we just mentioned. We talked about the cell wall, we have the cell membrane. So after the cell wall, we have the cell membrane. Then from there, we have these other parts where we talk about that one which looks like a sausage. It is known as the Golgi apparatus, which is also found in animal cell. We have the chloroplast. This one is not found in the animal cell. Then we also have mitochondria. Mitochondrion, it is found also in animal cell and also in the plant cell. This one. We have the vacuole. This one, when we have the tonoplast, it is not found in animal cell. It is just found in the plant cell. Then we have the nucleus, which is here. We have the vascle, and these are the parts. These are the parts of the the plant cells. These are the parts of the plant cell. From there, we have the parts and their functions. We have the parts and their functions. We have the part which is uh, which is the part known as the cellulose or the cell wall for the plant cell, because this one is not found in animal cell. What is its function? Please let us take note of this. The function for the plant, I mean the cellulose or the cell wall, it is number one is that it's non-living. It is a thick, rigid layer around the cell membrane. This is thick, which is also rigid layer around the cell membrane. So it helps the plant to support itself. It is the one that supports a plant. Helps the plant to support itself. The other point is that it vary the shape of the cell. It makes the shape. In short, it forms the shape of the cell. Angular, the rectangular around. It can be angular or rectangular. So the other one, it is permeable. It is permeable. This means it allows all substances to move in and out of the cell. It allows substances to move in and out of the cell. Then we go to the cell membrane, which is the cell surface membrane or the cell membrane. The cell membrane, it surrounds the cytoplasm. It surrounds the cytoplasm. Then it keeping cells separate from one another. It helps the cells or keeping cells separate from one another. And it is made up of layers of lipid and proteins. And this is 0.00001 millimeter thick. It is 0.00001 thick. Then it is semi-permeable, meaning it allows only some substances to move in or out. This is the reason why you find some other books they say it is selective permeable. Okay, it is selective permeable. It says permeable membrane because it allows some to enter in and other substances not to enter through. The other point we have here, it is known as the nucleus. The nucleus. We have the nucleus. In the nucleus, we have what is known as the nuclear envelope, the nucleolus, the nucleoplastic, chromatin, or parts of the nucleus. What is it all about or its function? It controls all activities of the cell, round and surrounded by two membranes which together form the nuclear membrane. The nuclear, it is rounded and surrounded by two membranes that form the nuclear membrane. Note, nuclear membrane has several clear pores to allow nuclear material to pass through. Nuclear membrane has several nuclear pores to allow nuclear material to pass through. Then the other point is that it contains chromosomes and nucleolus. Nucleus, it contains the chromosomes and